What will win in a drag race between a totally standard AMG GTR and a Lamborghini Huracan Spyder Evo? Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson and I'm a bit of a cheat, and you're watching Carwow. This totally standard Mercedes-AMG GTR has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8, but it's been tuned by Pure Tuning. It has an engine and gearbox tune, as well as new downpipes, so rather than the standard 585 horsepower, 700 Nm of torque, it now develops 756 horsepower and 1,120 Nm of torque. All that power is sent to the rear wheels only via a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs in at 1,550 kilograms and is worth about £100,000, including all those definitely not cheating upgrades. The Lamborghini Huracan Evo rear-wheel drive Spyder has a 5.2-litre naturally aspirated V10 that puts out 610 horsepower and 560 Nm of torque. It sends power to the rear wheels only via a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs around 1,600 kilograms and is worth about £170,000. Now this AMG sometimes struggles off the line, front-engined, rear-wheel drive, lots of torque, spins up its wheels. However, this GTR does have something that's really handy, and it's adjustable traction control. So what I'm going to do is set it at just 2 away from almost completely off. And that should give me enough wheel spin, but not too much wheel spin that I just end up standing still in a pile of tyre smoke. Because I'm going to need good traction, because while that Lamborghini is rear wheel drive only, it's got its engine in the middle, so it's got more weight over the rear axle, and those things launch. The gearboxes in those, the 7-speed dual clutch in those, yeah, I think it's better than the dual clutcher in this. Let's find out about that car from its owner. Owner of the Lamborghini, can you tell everyone your name? Because I wish I had your name. What's your name?
Hi, my name's Ace.
You know, when you're like going out on dates and stuff like that, and you'd be like, hi, I'm Ace. How did that work for you?
To be honest, it works quite well.
I like the way he's using the present tense. See, I was using the past tense because my dating days are done.
I'm sure it works pretty much better than how it works for you.
Ooh, look at him. Is your surname Ventura?
No.
What is it then?
It's Matt Winner.
Is he taking the P again? I'm not sure, because that's not funny. So it might really be his surname, or he might be taking the P out of me. I don't want to say, because I'm going to look stupid either way. Let's just get on with it. Do you know what we're going to do? We're going to do a Carwow sound check. So this is the AMG GTR, totally standard. Oh, look at the way that revs actually. Let's have a listen to your Lamborghini V10.
I don't even think I heard that.
It's kind of weird, isn't it? It lets you rev it high on the first 1 or 2 revs, and then it just throttles it back, doesn't it? It's weird the way Lamborghini do that.
Yeah, I never really understood that either, but it is what it is. It's a Lamborghini, that's a Mercedes, you know.
You're just trying to beat me at car top trumps, aren't you? Well, you might not win, because I might actually beat you in this race, but let's see what's going to happen now. Now, before we race, if you're thinking about selling your car, you can do it easy through Carwow. In fact, right now you can value your car.
Don't up the launch, mate.
Who was that? Anyway, like I was saying, you can value your car for free on Carwow. So just click on the pop-out banner up there, or scan the QR code, or follow the link in the description or the pinned comment to see how much your car is worth today. You can then go on, if you wanted to sell your car through Carwow, just upload some photos, give a brief description, then dealers all across the country will bid on it. The service is completely free, and if you don't like the result, you don't have to go through with the sale. Let's get on with this race. Can Ace me?
3, 2, 1.
Let's assume there's a delay. Destroying me. Smoke.
What happened there then, Matt?
Ace, that was ace. Absolutely ace. Ace?
It was pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, but your launch was alright. What happened though?
Well, I'm hoping that you might have jumped the start, and we're going to go back down and find out from the stewards whether you did. If you didn't, there's a good chance that I've got a massive delay on my launch, which I have, but I'm not sure whether that was also compounded by you jumping. I'm hoping it was. Let's go and find out from them.
had a look to see if he jumped.
He didn't, did he?
He didn't jump.
Oh crap. Okay.
First time as well, yeah?
Yeah, he's on it. Okay, right, this has a huge delay. Ace, I said it once and I'll say it again, that was ace.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's hope you can try better this time.
I hope so too. I'm basically cheating. This car is tuned to 750 horsepower, 1,000 Newton meters of torque, but I think that's a problem, getting off the line.
3, 2,
He jumped then.
Come on.
That's a better one from this car. The delay's so bad. Stewart. He must have jumped then.
No chance.
Ace, you jumped, mate, you jumped.
Oh, my bad.
Let's have a look.
Right, here's the second race.
The GTR's still really slow.
He jumped massively.
You can see my foot come off the brake at the exact time. Watch this. Watch my foot come off the brake there.
You're on the money.
But look, it's not moving. Now it's finally moving. There's just a massive delay and it spins its wheels. He jumped the first one, look. Oh no, he's bang on it on the...
No, the first one he was bang on.
Oh, I don't know. I think it's a marginal. It's a
Yeah.
margin call.
The first one you let him go, but the second one was a miles jump.
Yeah.
Can I play?
Let's see if he jumps again. He's not going to jump again. I'll jump this time, I'll bloody bet.
Ace, no pressure, mate. If you mess this up, you're out the car.
So I have to try to jump, but in a way that isn't actually a real life jump.
3, 2, 1.
Come on!
Come on.
That's my best launch yet, and he choked.
Come on, Lambo. Show them what Lambo is.
I'm going to have to call Stuart's inquiry on myself, though. Ace, you were a little bit delayed that time. I think you got paranoid. I think Yanni got in your head.
He did get in my head. He said, don't mess it up, and then I messed it up.
I mean, I'm cheating already with a tuned car. I can't cheat twice by jumping as well. Let's find out. That's too much cheating even by Watson standards. Did I jump?
Okay.
Let's have a look.
You were fine. We checked yours. You were bang on. Look at you on the money.
Oh!
On the money.
That was good. I mean, that's years of practice. Should we give him one more go?
He's had 3.
Go on, go kick him out of his own car, Yanni.
Ace, we're trading you out. Time for the king to step in.
Mate, you done well. This is the
You
first
scammed
one
me.
did.
You scammed
Bro,
me.
the first one you smashed it, bro. Fair play to you.
All right then, Ace. We're going to go again, but shall we say winner takes all?
Yeah, I'll come in cold, I don't mind. Yeah, fair play to Ace, he's done really well on the first one. The other 2 was unlucky, but let's do this.
Don't cock it at Watson. Come on, motherfucker! We got a race. We got a race. This is tuned. Look, you can see his face though as he rumbled me. That was so close. We were just side by side. It was almost like we were doing the intro to a rolling race then. I don't know, I just drove a little bit faster at the end.
So a couple of things. One, I have just jumped in this and there was a slight delay, so I don't believe my launch was on point. I'm not using Sam's book of excuses, but I believe my launch could be better because I know I could go slightly quicker. And that car's not standard, bro, because you were going past me, so something's not right.
Everything's right. It's just sometimes you just have to accept reality rather than trying to like live in a fantasy land, Yanni. So let's move move on to the rolling race, but first, let's do the thing. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Mercedes won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.5 seconds. The Lamborghini took 11.7 seconds.
Before our next race, a quick message that could save you big time. If you're looking to buy a used car, bike or van anytime soon, then this is for you. We've partnered with our friends at Car Vertical to give you a special offer to check that it's not a write-off, stolen or had its mileage changed. Look at this Seat Leon Cupra on Car Vertical. It shows green ticks across the board but was written off twice and that never showed up in the sale listing. You'd never have known that without a car history check. So when buying a used car, bike or van, run a Car Vertical report using code CARWOW for 20% off or follow the link in the description. Now, back to the race.
Right, we're going to have a rolling race over the half mile. We're going to do it from 50 miles an hour. The cars will be in automatic mode and their comfort street setting. But before then, if you want to find a good deal on a sports car, not anything to this level, but you know, affordable, fun sports car, I found one through carwow. To find out what the car is and the saving through carwow, click on the pop-out banner up there or scan the QR code on screen. Now, let's do this then. Get level with me, sir. And we'll get up to 50. 3, 2, 1, go. Kick down. Oh, look at this difference. Oh no, he's going to know this car's tuned. Maybe I can bluff this, style it out. What happened to your car? Was the kick down real slow or something?
It was. What car is that, bro? AMG GTS?
GTR, that's why it's quicker, because they've borrowed some bits from Nissan.
I don't know, your car seems really quick and this was fast, but I don't know, let's see what happens in Corsa.
Yeah, let's see what happens in Corsa. It might be better then. He hasn't got me yet. He hasn't figured it. Right, Yanni, now we can have another rolling race. So, go in your sportier setting, manual mode for the gearbox, third gear roll on from 50.
Yep, let's do it.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, look at this gap in. Oh my goodness, he's so far behind.
What car is that, bro? No, I'm not having it. There's something, your car is way too far. Bro, you're leaving me like I'm not even moving. And this car's fairly quick.
I don't know, maybe there's something wrong with your car. Maybe it's your mate, I don't know. I almost said it was his weight.
I'm coming over, I know you too well.
What's the matter? Oh no, honestly, so it's got an exhaust on it, but it shouldn't do much. It's just an exhaust, like for noise. It's just an exhaust. What are you doing?
What's, give me that hat. Give me that hat. What is it? It says tune something on it. You're such a, I know you're pure tuning. You're such a cheat. So a person that's got a pure tuning hat has got a standard car, yeah? You're cheap.
It's got 750 horsepower.
What's standard?
500 and something. Sorry.
I knew it. I know him so well.
Sometimes winning unfairly is more fun than winning fairly. Let's do the brake test and forget all about it. The brakes aren't tuned, okay?
Who cares about the brake test? No one cares.
Okay, now we go a brake test from 100 miles an hour. The car which stops in the shortest distance or wins. If you'd rather watch another drag race with some Lamborghinis and stuff, click on the pop-out banner up there or scan the QR code on screen now. If not, stay here for the brake test. All the braking force now. What the actual?
Matt, what braking was that? They definitely weren't tuned, mate, your brakes, were they?
I knew he wasn't going to come out after that. That's an embarrassing gap. I'd like to say that you cheated massively, but I've cheated so badly already that I don't care if you did. Now, I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like.
Matt, hold on a minute. You know what? Be fair with me, yeah? Be fair. Let me have one more drag race with you. Just so I feel better that I know that the car's tuned and I can give it my all this time, even though I wasn't giving it my all anyway.
I don't feel like I want to. We've got another video to film. shall we just move on?
It's one drag race. I'm not filming the other video. You know, I'm going to throw my toys out of a pram. If you don't do one more drag race with me, I'm not doing the next drag race. There you go.
All right then.
Another drag race, winner takes all.
For everything, brake test, rolling rate, everything, winner takes all.
I will take that gamble.
Come on.
Bang on.
No, he's ahead.
Come on! Come on!
Come on, AMG. Come on, I don't think I'm going to get him. I'm going to get him. I'm going to get him. You definitely got off better than me, and I thought I was done. I wasn't reeling you in quite as fast as I was expecting to, but on the line, this car has a very long bonnet.
I've got no idea. I think that one tester launch for me helped me that time, but I didn't even see the cones, so I've got no idea who won.
You decide in the comments. Let us know which car won. You have to go back and rewind and slow-mo it and find out, because no idea. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to watch some other videos, click on the video windows. And if you want to compare these cars' quarter mile times to everything else we've ever drag raced, then just click on the CarWow logo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.